Guess what I have here? Guess what I have here? Me have some chicken in a basket. Some chicken in a basket. See chicken them I eat merengue. Ah, this is it. Hey, 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 go back in there. What you want to eat from there? You want some ants? Alright. Let me see which other one is bad. Who else is so bad? You come out, so go back in. Where you heading? Where are you running to now? You're gonna have to be responsible for what you do now. You go back. Go eat merengue. Where is George? Listen to the birds. Wow, look at this. And if you could see me through my eyes, you'll see someone beautiful through my eyes. So I'm waiting on George to put away these chickens. Where is George? George! So they are a lot more. So George will come and put them away. So I'm just here with these loads, talking to them right now. Hey, 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 what's your name? You don't have a name? Where is George? Okay. Hey, hey, this one fell out the basket again. Come on, come here, you little bad thing. Hey, hey, this here is a soursop tree. Hey, soursop, you can't grow here, you know. No, man, this serious. Chicken in a basket. Picking on some beans. Seems like the chicken them like the merengue. You know? Look at that. They're enjoying their merengues. George! I heard George earlier. No, I can't find George. He needs to come and put up these chickens. Yes, my people, this is the merengue. Hey, you jump out again? You little bad thing. I'm going to tell Pumpkin about you and those little kids. Easy no man. I say easy super cat. I say easy no man. What you be no man? Mercy. Go back to your house and wait until George come for you. I'm gonna mark you to see. Oh, thought it was one chicken always coming out, you know. Go back in. So I'm spending 6 minutes with the chickens if I can. For my little viewers. 6 minutes with the chickens. I know Pumpkin will love this. And those little baby kids in Oak Bay, they watch my channel. When I went under the canal, the Calbot, with the little children, from then they love to watch my channel. Oh my word! So I have to make my channel clean and clear enough for them as well. So you don't come back out, you know. So today I have 50 chickens. The rest are up that side waiting on George to come for them, to put them in the coop. But I'm here with these little ones, viewing them so that the little... Hey! Hey! What is now? Hey, come back in. Too rude, man. Too rude. Hey. Oh, you bad, sir. Oh, you want so bad. So you get some bean leaf then now. Hey. Watch it now. Watch it. You're determined to come out here, man. Hey, you know what out there, so? Come back in, man. You're too rude. Too rude. Want some more merengue? Yes. Run with that. Hey, run with it. Watch you now again. Watch you now. Must see. You're determined. 7 minutes with the chicken. And still no George. George! I have to go give them water now. Come on. Hey. No. I can't manage you now. Come on. See? I want to have some merengue now. Oh my word. Hey. Let's find George. Let's go find George to come and put you up. Where is George? George! Come on, man! The chicken down. Want water? Okay, George is coming. If you could see me through my eyes, you see someone beautiful. Oh my word! Once upon a time. Oh my word! This is a shoe block. Okay. Be still, because George is coming. If you could see me through my eyes, you see someone beautiful. Okay, so since George is coming to get you all, I'm going to get my rest. Cool? So George is coming. Let me fill you up a little. Oh my word, it must be hot. Oh my word. Okay. George is coming. And if you could see me through my eyes, you see someone beautiful through my eyes. George will be here soon. So I spent 10 minutes with you. So I'm out.